Presenting the Hare and the Tortoise Shadow Puppet Show. The Hare and the Tortoise decided to have a race. The hare set off at a great pace, and the tortoise kept plodding along. What do you think will happen? Here's how to set up your own Hare and Tortoise puppet show. You will need a torch, some straws, some sticky tape, some Hare and Tortoise characters. Just cut them out, and once you've done that, sticky tape them to your straw. Next, you can create your theatre. There are lots of ways to do this. We used some chairs and a sheet and a light. You can also use a cardboard box. We did some research and development on shadow puppets in term 2. We discussed storylines and ideas for the characters.
Keep surrenders, I'll go like this.
We also had fun just shining the lights on the ceiling while we were lying on the bed. You will find shadows in lots of different places. You will need a single LED light source for the best result. Practice your shadow puppet play. Gather your audience. Perform your play. Action! The Hare and the Tortoise decided to have a race. The hare started off at a great pace. The tortoise kept plodding along, but a lot slower than the hare. "I'm so far ahead of the tortoise," said the hare. "He will never catch up with me. I think I'll take a rest." The tortoise continued plodding along and passed the hare and reached the finish line. "I can't believe I've won," said the tortoise. And the moral is, slow and steady wins the race. This type of story is called a fable. Fables have animals that act like people, only 2 or 3 characters, a hero, and a moral at the end. Film your Hare and Tortoise puppet show. Make sure you shoot it landscape and use a clear voice for your voice-over. Upload it to the Google Classroom. I look forward to seeing all of your stories. Experiment with making shadows everywhere you can. Next time, we'll be doing some Halloween shadows. Woo!